From this video, get the tips to prepare for CPQ-301 Configure and Administer a Salesforce CPQ Solution Exam. Discover how Salesforce CPQ can transform your sales and quoting processes with its powerful out-of-the-box functionality. Target audience. Know the exam objectives before your test. This exam equips you with the knowledge and skills to configure and administer a robust Salesforce CPQ solution tailored to your business requirements. Preparation tips for CPQ-301 exam. 1. In what way does Smart Approvals expedite the approval process? A. Approving a quote will auto-approve any lesser discount quotes related to the same opportunity. B. Quotes within defined thresholds will be automatically approved. C. Quotes with multiple steps in the approval chain go directly to the highest approver required. D. Rejected quotes that are resubmitted within previously approved values go directly to the person who rejected. Answer: D. 2. An admin wants to set up a product so a user can all available options and selected options by scrolling in a single page. Which updates should the admin mail to meet this requirement? A. Update option layout on the parent product record to wizard. B. Create features related to the parent product and assign each feature the option selection method dynamic. C. Create feature to the parent product and assign all option to one of the created features. D. Update option layout on the parent product record to sections. Answer: D. 3. Universal Containers requires a subset of products to be viewed based on a button on the quote line editor. Which Salesforce CPQ functionality will satisfy this requirement? A. Custom Page Security Plugin Script. B. Product Rules of Filter Type. C. Price Rules. D. Custom Action with Search Filter. Answer: D. 4. An admin created a workflow rule to automatically generate the renewal opportunity and quote when a user activates the contract. The renewal pricing method is set to list. The original quote contains only standalone fixed-price subscription products and non-subscription product. What should the user see on the renewal quote? A. Additional discounts from the original quote will automatically populate on the renewal. B. The renewal quote start date will be the contract end date plus 1 day. C. Optional products from the original quote will pull into the renewal. D. All quote line items will be pulled through from the original quote. Answer: A. 5. What are 2 considerations the CPQ specialist should take into account when authorizing the Salesforce CPQ calculation service for a user who is currently logged in? Choose 2 answers. A. The user must have access to the CPQ quote and all related objects. B. The user that authorizes the calculation service is a non-human admin user. C. The user's role should be placed at the top of the role hierarchy. D. The user that authorizes the calculation service has API only enabled. Answer: B, C. 6. When creating orders from quotes with Salesforce CPQ, the admin wants to separate similar products into orders based on the product family of the products being ordered. Which two steps must the admin perform to automatically split these types of orders? Choose two answers. A. Set the order by field on the quote line to product family. B. Allow multiple orders from a checkbox in the CPQ package settings. C. Set the order by field on the quote to product family. D. Allow multiple orders from a checkbox on the quote. Answer: A, B. 7. What are two ways Salesforce CPQ Advanced Approvals support obtaining APPRGVAT from a group in a single approval steps? Choose two answers. A. Any group member may approve. B. Smart approvals can exclude group members below the approval threshold. C. Approval must be obtained from one group member at a time. D. All group members must approve. Answer: A, D. 8. The admin at Universal Containers has received feedback about the amount of horizontal scrolling necessary to access clone and delete actions on quote lines in the quote line editor. What should the admin do to resolve this issue? A. Move the clone and delete actions into the quote line editor drawers. B. Change the actions column placement in package settings to left. C. Update the custom action location to left. D. Set a lower value in the display order field in the custom action record. Answer: A. 9. Universal Containers has products that should only be selected as part of a bundle. How should the admin configure CPQ so users are unable to add this product outside of a bundle? A. Remove the product's PNCE book entry, then set unit price on the product option record. B. Ensure that the configuration event field on the product is set to always. C. Ensure that the component checkbox on the product is set to true. D. Create a product rule with a remove action when the product is sold a la carte. Answer: C. 10. The Universal Containers sales operations team wants to ensure that without reopening the quote line editor, quotes have current information prior to submitting them for approval. Which two actions could the admin take to meet the business requirement? Choose two answers. A. Change the value of a field in the Calculating Fields field set. B. Create a new lightning button to trigger recalculation. C. Add the Calculate button to the quote layout. D. Create a flow to trigger recalculation upon record save. Answer: A, C. Subscribe and like past question.